girl from joining your stupid playgroup.
I'm calling Vanessa and I'm gonna give her a mind of my peace.
It's all your fault that every other mom in this building hates me now.
Hey, is it too mean to break up with someone over a voicemail?
Oh crap, that's what I just did.
Hey, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Get in here. I'm not making out with another cop for you.
No, I'm not getting in there. I've got a lot more to say.
Fine, but I hope you have an umbrella.
Umbrella?
It's Officer Gary. Got a cloudy eye, but he's a good kisser. Oh. Hi, Cameron.
What is your lunatic son doing? He has to stop screaming those things about me.
The truth hurts, doesn't it, Tinkerbell?
I'm not a bad mom.
Really? Because a good mom wouldn't exclude a little girl from a playgroup. That's at least a pretty insensitive mom in my book.
Shut up, Ben!